Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to delete a template from your Shopify website. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and that you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So guys, the first thing you want to do is go ahead and open up the official Shopify.com website right here and log into your account. And after logging into your account, guys, you'll be greeted by this main page right here where you can see all the sections you can use for managing your website on Shopify, such as home section right here. You can see all of your orders, you can see your products, customers, and so on. So guys, now let's say that we want to delete a template from our store right here. Well, this is how to do it. The first thing we have to do guys is go ahead to the left side of the page right here and go ahead and click the online store option right here. After clicking on online store guys, this will now open up this new drop down menu with multiple options, and one of those is going to be called themes. So you want to make sure you have opened up themes, and now this is the themes page where you can manage your themes for your website. So guys, what we want to do is, you can see this is our current theme. We want to go to the right side of the theme name and click on the three dots right here that appear, and after that this will open up this new menu with options, and you want to click the edit code option right here. Click on edit code guys, and after clicking on edit code, now if you look at the left side of the screen, you will see there is a templates option right here where you can see all the templates that you have. So as you can see, you can either add a new template or you can open up an existing template, and then you can just go ahead and delete it if you want by deleting all the code in the template, or just by clicking the delete button right here next to the name of the template. After clicking delete guys, you can just click delete and this will delete the template. But yeah guys, basically that is it, how do you do it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. So guys, thank you for watching, take care and bye.